I hadn't really come across another software system in my career yet that gave clients the ability to really meet their unique challenges in their organization the same way that Dynamo had, but still be kind of this front-end system that was easy to work with and not, like a really hyper customized project. When I first joined Margaret A. Cargill Philanthropies, we were in the process of implementing Dynamo, and prior to that, we had been using really 3 or 4 different systems, I would say, in order to kind of meet our workflow needs, and all of those systems weren't necessarily investment specific, so that made a huge challenge as far as data consistency, data quality, and then it was also a challenge when we wanted to aggregate that data out of different systems for reporting. So Dynamo helped us kind of meet that goal of having more consistent and high quality data, and also made it easy to organize it and do our reporting out to our external partners. From our perspective, one is, we do an annual finance questionnaire, and that's our finance team that really leads that effort. But they have the ability now, they used to email Excel spreadsheets out for every single questionnaire, and now that's done all within the Dynamo system, so that has saved them a lot of time in terms of aggregating all that data from different sources. I think document management has been a huge part for us too, where we've had a lot of time savings. We're in the process of implementing Dynamo data automation, and so for us, I think we uploaded 11,000 documents last year, and to have that all automated, that's a huge time savings for our team to be able to focus on more value add activities. I think the Dynamo team, they've been great to work with, and I think one thing I've really appreciated too with some other places I've been at in my career and working with other software systems is you really have access to the Dynamo team. We've been on calls with product managers before, and I don't know that in a lot of other organizations you necessarily get that kind of access. Those product managers really want to hear our feedback and really want to understand how we're using the product so they can design their roadmaps and make their future enhancements. For future plans with Dynamo, we are working with the Dynamo data automation team. We're doing both portions of that project, so one, just uploading all of our documents, and we're pretty much there with completing that piece, and then we're still working on the document scraping portion with the Dynamo team, and we're really looking forward to how that will further enhance some of our other workflows. It can be a very tedious process for us, and whenever you have manual data entry, you're leaving room for error, and so we're hoping that'll be a huge time savings as we integrate that into some of our downstream processes, and how we'll be able to kind of go ahead and really automate that and have a lot of time efficiency so we can focus on more value add activities for the firm.